Tired of typing during long conversations on Messenger? Well, you can simply send a voice message. In this video, I'll show you how to send voice recordings on your Messenger app on Android. So let's jump right into the process. First, open your Messenger. Get into chat you want to send a voice message to. Now in the message input area, you'll see a microphone icon. Press and hold the microphone icon to start recording your message. Speak clearly into your phone's microphone. When you've finished recording, release the microphone again. The voice message will automatically send to the chat. Now, as an extra tip, if you decide not to send the message, slide your finger to the right side before releasing the icon. This will cancel the recording. So now, you know how to send voice messages from your Messenger app. If this video helped you out, be sure to give it a like. You can also subscribe for more tips just like this. Hope to see you around next time.